Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Into the last lecture we have completed arithmetic operators plus, minus, multiplication and division. Today we will continue with the arithmetic operator modulo. For that we are declaring three variables A, B and C. To take input from the user, we have to write enter value and scanf %d address of A. /n enter value for the second value. scanf %d address of B. Now to use modulo operator, here we have C. But what is modulo operator? Modulo operator is used to give remainder from the operation. For the modulo operator, we can use percentage sign. And to print the output C equals to %d and C. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Enter value, suppose 10, again enter value, suppose 2. The answer is 0. Again we are running the same program with Ctrl F9. First value 10, the second value is 3. So now the answer is 1, that is remainder. 10 divided by 3 will give us remainder 1. That we can check with the comparison of division operation. So now we have one more variable, that is D, and here D equals to A divided by B, and we are printing value of D also using printf. So D equals to %d and D. To run this program, Ctrl F9. Value 1, that is 10 and 2. So now we can differentiate remainder and the answer of division. C equals to 0, that is remainder that from 10 divided by 2, and 5 is the answer. Again we are running the same program, Ctrl F9, 10 and 3. So remainder is 1 and the answer is 3 because of integer. So this is the use of modulo operator. Up to now we have completed arithmetic operators plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulo operator. Thank you.